So you search for working Minecraft iPhone shaders, download a shader pack, import it into the game, activate it, but nothing happens. If that's you, don't worry, you are not doing anything wrong. The main reason is that Minecraft switched to a new graphics engine called RenderDragon. Before RenderDragon, shader packs could completely change how Minecraft looked by adding realistic lighting, shadows, reflections. But after Minecraft moved to RenderDragon, those old shaders packs stopped working because they are no longer compatible with the new rendering system. That's why shaders still import into Minecraft without showing any errors, but they don't actually change the graphics. It's not because you installed them incorrectly. The shader isn't compatible with the current version of Minecraft Bedrock on iPhone. You may have seen YouTube videos about shaders, but many of those videos can be misleading. Some are actually using Android, where different tools or modified version of Minecraft. Others are recorded on PC instead of an iPhone, and many videos call texture packs shaders, even though they're completely different. A texture pack can change the appearance of blocks, items, and mobs. A real shader changes the lighting, shadows, reflection, water, and other visual effects. The good news is that Minecraft now has something called vibrant visuals. It's an official graphics upgrade from Mojang that adds improved lighting, better shadows, enhanced reflections, and much better looking. To use that feature, go to your video settings and you'll find the option called Vibrant Visual. Now iPhone players will be able to enjoy much better graphics using Minecraft's own system instead of third-party shaders. Also, you can install high-quality resource packs to improve textures, use behavior packs to add new gameplay features, or install add-ons that add new things in the game. These all work on the latest version of Minecraft Bedrock for iPhone. So shaders pack can no longer work on iPhone, but Minecraft is still highly customizable, and with vibrant visual, the look of Minecraft graphics looks better than ever. If you are looking for some good quality texture packs, you can watch my other videos.